Hello guys, today we perform the operation of single acting cylinder using dual pressure or AND valve. This is FRL unit. This is manifold from which we can get the air in to the push button green switch. Now we go for AND valve. This is the AND valve which have two input and one output. When both the input on, it gives the output to the cylinder, means it actuates the cylinder. These all are components required for our experiment. Before going to the experiment, see the pneumatic diagram or airflow diagram. First we connect the airflow from manifold to the switch and then the output of the switch to the AND valve. Now connect the output of the AND valve to the single acting cylinder, and in 0-1 or 1-0 condition it not actuate, but in 1-1 condition it actuates, just like this. Thank you.